We got 3 Surging Sparks Blister? Or Booster? And 151. I've been searching for this. And Juan and I are gonna open them. I'm gonna go with lucky number 3.
It's like 6 or 7. 6.
Yeah, 6. Alright. Whenever you're ready. I will open them. It's 1 to the front, right?
Yeah.
I pulled Zard. First pack. First pack magic, I'm gonna use the rubbing technique. Trash.
The rubbing?
Yep. Here, free code card for you, chat. Oh, you can't read
it. Oh, already first thing.
Huh?
Hollow Edge.
Oh, wow. Basic, Ghastly, Harris, Voltorb. Oh, it's, wait, hold up, wait, it's kind of blurry.
Wait, I like this.
It's blurry.
I like that.
There you go. Krabby Patty, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Squirtle, Gengar, Pterodactyl. Nothing good out of that one.
I've actually been wanting this.
The Gengar?
Yeah. It was like, it's a cool art. Oh. Well, I already have one.
Go ahead, have another one.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot 1 to the front. Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Wartile, Hypno, Poliwrath, Venoma, Nidorina, and Golem EX.
Very again.
Oh, chat, I'm still opening. Code card. Oh, Hollow Energy. Goldeen, Weepinbell, Rapidash.
I still haven't
Nidorina, Eradicate, Staryu, Execute, and Machamp.
Yeah, I think we're leaving.
Basic Fire, Sandshrew, Seal, literally, like, actually a seal. Doduo, Tentacool, Victreebel, Big Air Balloon, Primate, Nidoking, and Erica's Invitation. This is a good card. What happened? That's a good card? What happened?
And it has to be
$18.
$20. Psyduck.
$20 card. Well, it's kind of money. You like Psyduck, right?
Yeah, Psyduck.
I gotta hit it! Yay!
I still haven't gotten anything. I'm on last pack and I haven't gotten anything.
Uh-oh. Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Clefable, Tentacool, Hitmonlee, Parasect, Psyduck. Dude! We got no hit! Well, actually I have. I'm not damaging the card. Chat, trust.
I'm professional, that's why I know how to open these packs so easily.
Of course you do.
Ooh, hollow end. Let me keep the hollow end. Oh, we got the same.
Oh, I kinda did it wrong.
Yeah. I need 1.
Yeah, nothing good.
This is the only thing I got.
Blast big man Blastoise.
In that whole thing.
Put the bulk in here. Don't worry, chat. I didn't damage the card at all. Ooh, Executor.
That's why I don't like opening it like that.
With the knife?
No, with carrying it on the top. Giving it to
One to the front, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Whenever you're ready.
Ew.
Fire. Yeah, that's fire. Smoochum, Skamori, Tandemus, Fanpy, Leading Memo, Magneton,
I don't know which version I'm there.
Iron Bundle, Future.
Okay.
And here, your mom will like this card.
Oh, I have so many of these.
Which one?
I have 2 of these already.
Bro got a hit and I didn't.
I had 2 of these.
You know, I'll just
And
mix.
I got them from the same box.
I'll just mix these. That's what I'm gonna do.
Here.
You don't want a penny?
I can build a deck out of it.
Jesse got
I want this one.
whenever you're ready.
Oh, dark.
Fighting, Bronzor, Morlul, Diglett, Verona, Turnador, Tauros, Counter Gain, Slackoff, Applin. This is like the same thing. What? No way, dude.
No, there isn't.
Hey, Bella's in here.
I know. Oh, this one
No
actually
way.
looks cool.
Alright. Hopefully this comes with this. Let's hope.
I'll show you this.
Alright.
Not Whataburger, no.
He's a Waterburger. Oh, Juan's there? I didn't know that. You know what? I'm gonna follow you. Oh, wait, I'm already following
Oh,
you.
wow. If I
Alright.
get 3 out of 3, I'll be happy.
Basic. Heliop. Chardigay. Diglett.
Oh, why?
Feel.
Look like that. Oh, go here.
Ho-Oh. Lizzie. I don't know. Nothing good out of that one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just opened all the packs. The only one good hit I got was this Erica's Invitation.
Oh, I didn't get any.
Focus. That's the only good card I got. Juan got this Blastoise.
I'm really happy about this one.
Juan got the Blastoise, but not the good. It fell out of the top loader.
This one.
Yeah.